Hello, my name is John Nelson. Welcome to JKL Works, your home for real business life change. Now, what does that mean? Well, after 5+ years of digital marketing and over 20 years of business ownership and management experience, I've seen a lot. I've had successes and I've had some failures too. And now I'm here to present you with some tools and options that I wish I had as I was going through all of this. But we know this will make a tremendous difference for you, and we want to show you how. Your journey begins with our success blueprinting process, where we uncover substantial amounts of revenue you may not know you had by using at least 3 small changes that can have huge impacts. Our Success Academy is MBA-level business training available on demand anytime you need for every aspect of your business. And finally, our plug-in business services stand ready with vetted relationships that you can trust to handle every aspect of your business that you don't want to do or don't do well. Sound interesting? Okay, let's dive a little deeper. During our Success Blueprinting session, we use very small changes to have big impacts. This allows us to uncover at least $50,000 in lost revenue you may not know you had. We can do all this in a 50 to 90 minute session, and at the end of that time we provide you with a report, a step-by-step roadmap with all the instructions you need, and if you like, we will be your ready guide to move on after that, step by step, shoulder to shoulder, to realize the revenue goals that we promised you, and then some, as we seek to uncover even more during that journey. All this is made possible with our exclusive Profit Acceleration software. And if you decide you would like our help, we will begin the Profit Works implementation process, working with you every step of the way, week by week, with just the tasks you need so as not to overwhelm you, but to still achieve the amazing results that we all talked about and promised together. Our Success Academy is virtual MBA level knowledge, available on demand for you anytime you're ready. It's available with any Profit Works implementation or as a standalone service whenever you need it. Finally, for those who have trouble with the financial aspects of business, we offer an extra standalone module that teaches you how to read a profit and loss statement and how to maximize the financial position of your organization. It's all right here together in a customized format and portal just for you. Finally, we are very proud to offer our plug-in business services. These cover every aspect of the business or nonprofit organization will need to run efficiently and effectively. These are vetted, curated relationships where we make sure that you get the most value for the price you pay. These are available as standalone services or bundled together for extra value and support. All of this starts with a business breakthrough strategy session. Let's spend about 30 minutes getting to know each other to see if we're even a fit to work together or if it's the right time for you or not the right time for you. We want to get to know you, what you sell, what your why is, why you're in business, who you serve, and much more. Plus, we'll share a lot about us and answer any questions that you have. That's a part of the business breakthrough strategy session. So, there's a lot going on here as you can see, so we're ready for real business life change. Hopefully you are too. If so, just fill out the information below and let's get that strategy session started. And let's see if we're fit to work together. We're really looking forward to it and know we can really make a difference for your business and bring that real business life change that we talk about. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.